The Island of Talking Animals. Chapter 1. The Mysterious Map. Arjun was a young man who loved learning English through stories. Every day he read simple English books, listened to English videos, and practiced speaking in front of the mirror. One evening, while cleaning his grandfather's old wooden box, Arjun found something strange. It was a map. The map was old and yellow. The paper felt soft and weak. On the top of the map, there were words written in dark ink. The Island of Talking Animals. Arjun read the words slowly. Talking animals, he said to himself. He laughed. Animals cannot talk, he thought. This must be a children's story. But something about the map felt special. There was a drawing of an island in the middle of the sea. Around the island were waves, ships, and strange symbols. At the bottom of the map, there was a sentence. Only those who listen can learn. Only those who learn can speak. Arjun felt curious. He folded the map carefully and kept it in his bag. That night, Arjun could not sleep. He kept thinking about the island. What if the island is real? He wondered. Outside his window, the wind was strong. The trees moved slowly. The night felt full of secrets. Suddenly, Arjun heard a soft sound. Knock, knock. He opened the door. No one was there. But on the ground, he saw a small wooden boat key. Attached to the key was a small note. The journey begins at sunrise. Arjun's heart started beating fast. Chapter 2. The journey begins. Early in the morning, Arjun went to the sea. The sky was pink and orange. Birds were flying. The water was calm. Near the shore, Arjun saw a small boat. It looked old but strong. On the side of the boat, there were words written, "For learners only." Arjun smiled. "This must be for me," he said. He stepped into the boat and used the key. The boat started moving on its own. Arjun did not touch anything. The boat moved slowly, then faster. The sea was quiet. Arjun felt afraid, but also excited. "This is my English learning adventure," he said. After many hours, the sky became dark. There suddenly, light appeared. Arjun saw an island. It was green and beautiful. Trees were tall. Flowers were colorful. Birds were singing. The boat stopped near the beach. Arjun stepped onto the sand. The sand felt warm. Then he heard a voice. "Welcome." Arjun looked around. "Who said that?" he asked. "I did." Arjun looked down. A parrot was standing near him. The parrot looked at Arjun and smiled. Yes, smiled. The parrot was smiling. Chapter 3. The First Talking Animal. You can talk," Arjun said. "Yes, I can," said the parrot. "My name's Pico. I am a guide of this island." Arjun was shocked. "But animals cannot talk," Arjun said. Pico laughed. "On this island, animals talk to help humans learn," Pico said. "Learn what?" Arjun asked. "English," Pico answered. Arjun felt happy. "I want to learn English better," he said. "Good," Pico replied. "Then you are in the right place." Pico pointed to a path. "Follow me," he said. They walked through the forest. As they walked, Pico spoke slowly and clearly. "On this island, every animal teaches a lesson," Pico said. "Listening, speaking, vocabulary, grammar, confidence." Arjun repeated softly. "Listening, speaking, vocabulary, grammar, confidence." "Very good," Pico said. They reached a clearing. There were many animals there. A lion, a turtle, a monkey, a deer, an elephant. All were talking. Arjun could not believe his eyes. Chapter 4. Leo, the lion, speak without fear. A strong lion walked forward. "My name is Leo," said the lion. "I teach speaking confidence." Leo looked serious but kind. "Why are you afraid to speak English?" Leo asked. Arjun thought for a moment. "I'm afraid of making mistakes," he said. Leo nodded. "Mistakes are teachers," Leo said. "Repeat after me." Leo spoke slowly. "I'm learning English." Arjun repeated. "I'm learning English. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I speak to improve. I speak to improve." Leo smiled. "Good," he said. "On this island, no one laughs at mistakes. Mistakes help you grow." Arjun felt stronger. He felt brave. Chapter 5. Tina the Turtle. Slow and clear English. Next, a turtle came forward. Her name was Tina. "I'll speak slowly," Tina said. "That is my power." Tina spoke each word clearly. "When you learn English, speak slowly." She showed Arjun sentences. "I like reading books. I enjoy learning new words. I practice every day." Arjun repeated each sentence, slowly, clearly. Tina nodded. "Speed comes later," she said. "Clarity comes first." Arjun understood. Chapter 6. Max the Monkey. Vocabulary Fun. Monkey jumped from tree to tree. "I am Max," he said. "I teach vocabulary with fun." Max showed pictures. Apple, river, mountain, friend, journey. Max made sentences. "This apple is sweet. The river is long. The mountain is high. My friend helps me. This journey is exciting." Arjun repeated and smiled. Learning felt easy. Learning felt fun. Chapter 7. Ellie the Elephant. Strong memory. An elephant walked slowly. "I am Ellie," she said. "I help you remember." Ellie taught repetition. "Listen, repeat, remember," she said. "I listen to English daily. I speak English confidently. I improve step by step." Arjun repeated again and again. The words stayed in his mind. Chapter 8. The Night of Practice. That night, Arjun stayed on the island. He practiced speaking with animals. No fear, no pressure. Only learning. The stars were bright. The animals sang English songs. Simple songs. Happy songs. Arjun felt relaxed. Chapter 9. The Test of Listening. The next morning, Pico came. "Today is your listening test," Pico said. The animals spoke sentences. Arjun listened carefully. He answered correctly. 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 Chapter 10. Time to return. After many days, Pico said, "It is time to go home." Arjun felt sad. "You do not want to leave," he said. Pico smiled. "The island stays in your mind," Pico said. "Practice daily. Listen, speak, repeat." The boat returned Arjun home. The map disappeared, but Arjun had something better, confidence. From that day, Arjun spoke English every day. He made mistakes. He learned, he improved, and he always remembered, English is easy when you learn through stories.